Good afternoon, guys. I hope you're all doing very, very well. Now, guys, as you can see here, I actually have a brand new server at the bottom there. That's a HP G6. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. Never mind. And so, today, I have got cables at the back that are all running at the back here to the switch, to power, and things like that, but it's a total mess up here. So the job today is to clean this area up and get it looking nice. So first process will be is sorting these network cabling out, these network cables out there, and sorting out all these laptops and things. So let's get to it. Okay, so the job now is to essentially clear all this crap up and get it all up and running. So let's get to it. Okay, so essentially I'm just dumping it everywhere, but for the moment, it's just really to clean things out and to clean things up and sort things out. It's a long. And so yeah, I'll show at the back here quickly what it looks like. So essentially, this lighting is horrible, but essentially what I've got here is I've got 4 Ethernet cables. One that gives me internet via the power line injector up there. I've got my black one here, which actually goes into the IIM of this server. So this is a IBM X3650 Model 3. And then this one's a HP G6. And essentially the cables run back here and into that switch up there. So now my job is to essentially clean it up. And my battery is running low. Okay, so the camera's not in the best conditions. However, what I have done is I've gone ahead and changed the cables here. I've gone up here and I've done a ton of cable management. If we have a good glance down, as you can see, all the cables are tucked in nicely. And then that leaves us to a quick cable management video. More videos and more reviews on these servers are coming up soon, including my switch up here. But for now, that leaves me with a quick little short video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye for now.